Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Audi, Duster, Fortuner, rally in Madhyatra. Thousands march to Perne, Vijay Rohan led. Congress NGOs participate, demand coconut tree status back. Goa Dairy in red despite subsidies. Government spent 12.5 crore on feed plant automation. Feed still substandard. Animals fall ill. Animal husbandry demand stays mum. Ten killed and 150 injured in ongoing Jat stir. UP Haryana border blocked. Goa-based youth hostels adventure committee's team faced heat of the agitation. Team stranded. Kankon cars agitated with four-laning of Char Rasta to Pole in Kankona claim the works unplanned. No retention wall, rainwater blockade. Locals to stop work. And Kepe dominate third Vodafone, GFDC raising Star League. Kepe win under 10 and under 13 titles. Andorra triumph in under 13 boys finals. Now the news in details. Audi, Duster, Fortuner and many more luxurious cars, including other bikes and buses full of people, were seen in Perne participating in one of its kind Madhyatra. The march, which witnessed more than 1,000 participants, was led by MLAs Vijay and Rohan County, leaders of Goa Forward, Congress and other NGOs. Rally accused the government of taking Goikas for granted, saying denotification of the coconut tree has got nothing to do with easing the hardships of the common man as claimed by the government.
आज ही माड यात्रा जेन्ना आमी काढल्या ही आमी निवडून येवन कितें करतले म्हणून सांगूंक येवना आमी तुमकां जागोवपाक आयिल्ले आहा जी सगळे गोंयकारांक एकवटान हाडूंक शकता म्हणटा ती माड आज भाशा हाडूंक शकना आज डेव्हलपमेंट हाडूंक शकना आज खूब वस्तू अश्यो आहा ज्यो बीजेपी वापरता आमचे भितर फूट हाडपाक साउथ आनी नॉर्थ तातूंत एक डिवायड घालपाक वापरता खंयच्या स्वाभिमानी गोंयकारांनी जालें तुमकां की आमकां मार हो त्रास जाता वा मार खावचो म्हणून समज तुमकां समजता आम आदमी जे तुम्ही म्हणटा जे सर्वसामान्य लोकांचे पडिल्ले आशिल्ले जाल्यार तुम्ही खूब मुणकार कायद्याची दुरुस्ती करचे नाशिल्ले अरे सर्वसामान्य मनशाचे पडिल्ले आसा तर तिसरो क्लॉज जो आसा जे कोर्टान ताका परत परत ताची चपलां जोडची पडटा तुमकां खरें पडिल्ले आसा सर्वसामान्य मनशाचे तर तो तुम्ही परत घेवचो हो कॉरिडॉर हो तुम्ही अजून पासून काय करू ना पळया तुम्ही माडाचो कवर करून थंय सोऱ्या फॅक्टरी घातली पयशे उबारले कशिनो डबल टिबल दिले थंय उबारले मायनीचे रिकवरी करता म्हणटा थंय उबारले तोंड जात ना आणि खंयचोय तूं इशू घेवन आतां मुखार वयतलो गोंयकारा कडेन कितें म्हणून सांगतलो.
More than 1,000 people participated in the rally. Bikes, buses and other luxurious cars from Audi, Duster to Fortuner were seen in the rally. The Mad rally will continue till coconut tree gets its tree status back. Reporter Vinod Mehtar and Vilas Arolkar for Prudent.
Goa Dairy's balance sheet continues to be in the red even after strong financial support from the Goa government. Goa government has been spending crores of rupees to bring the Goa Dairy in profit zone. However, efforts seem to be in vain. Government has sanctioned almost 12 crore rupees for upgradation of cattle feed plant, but standard of cattle feed is deteriorating nor the plant runs efficiently. Farmers are forced to use substandard feeds. Surprisingly, the Department of Animal Husbandry has turned a blind eye. Watch report.
गोवा डेरीचे साप बरें हावणी ना
खूब प्रॉब्लेम येता खावडीक ते एकदां लूज मोशन जाता गायांक केन्ना दुयेंस पडटा आनी कितें चालूच आसता ते
एकदम बेकार है, एकदम भंगार है समझिए। इसमें मट्टी रहता है, इतना डगर रहता है।
खावड पळयलें हमारे गोवा डेरी उतरो खावडी तसली खावड बेकार म्हाका
पयलीं आमचे एक दिसताले आम्या पानां लाकडां पुरती सुद्दां हाडले एक बॅग म्हणल्यार पयलीं आम्या पानां सुद्दां.
Goa government sanctioned crores of rupees to Premier Dairy in the state for improvement and upgradation of the cattle feed plant. Prudent is in possession of some of the financial documents which shows that government has released more than 12 crore of rupees from 2011 to 2012. That is only for 1 year. Have a look. 14 December 2011, rupees 7 crores 53 lakhs and 65,000. 19 March 2012, rupees 2 crores 8 lakhs. 26 March 2012, rupees 2 crores 87 lakhs 16,000. Total rupees 12 crores 47 lakhs and 81,000. While sanctioning this amount, government had asked Goa Dairy to submit the report on utilization of funds. According to sources, Goa Dairy management has failed to submit proper grant utilization report, which forced government to stop the grants to the Goa Dairy. Goa government handed over its atomized cattle feed plant to the Goa Dairy, but till date, quality of cattle feed has not improved, not the efficiency. Animals continue dying. Many fall ill due to the feed consumption. Farmers are now switching over to the feed from the open market. Surprisingly, Department of Animal Husbandry has turned a blind eye. Prudent earlier too had exposed the sad state of dairy farmers. Irony is, why the government is mum over the irregularities of the Goa Dairy. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
10 persons have been killed and around 150 injured during the ongoing Jat stir. Leaders of various Khalp panchayats in Uttar Pradesh have blocked several roads to demand reservations even as security was stepped up in UP-Haryana border. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh is confident of some solution soon. Goa-based Adventure Committee Chairman Manoj Joshi and his team on their official trip face the heat of the agitation.
कुछ लोगों से हमारी बात हुई थी, जाट समुदाय के जनप्रतिनिधि थे, आज भी कुछ लोगों के साथ हमारी बातचीत है और मैं समझता हूँ कि कोई न कोई समाधान निकलेगा और मैं सभी से अपील करना चाहता हूँ कि वह शांति व्यवस्था बनाए रखें और ताकि कोई अनहोनी घटना, अप्रत्याशित घटना जिस प्रकार की घटित हो रही है, सब सारी न होने पाए.
Goa-based Youth Hostel Adventure Committee Chairman Manoj Joshi on his official trip to face the heat of the agitation. In a telephonic conversation, he explained the ground zero situation along the Haryana-Delhi route.
पळयल्या थंय हजारांनी ट्रक आनी सामक्यो हजारांनी गाडयो उरल्या आडावन.
ओके.
टोल बुथार टोल काडून वता म्हणटाले फुडें आनी फुडें तुमी पळया म्हणून. परत रावंड घेवन फाटीं आयले पण आमकां ते पळोवंक मेळ्ळें की तांणी 5-6 फूट खड्डो खणिल्लो जेसीबी लावन. जेसीबी मशीन रस्त्यार हाडून सामको नॅशनल हायवे फूल खणून काडला तांणी. सो मागीर आमी परत ह्यावटेन सरले. मागीर कोण आमचे कडेन आयले जाटूत तेय जाटूत पण आमी तुमकां रस्तो दाखयता. पर व्हेकल 500 रुपया
रस्तो दाखोवपाक.
हय हय. मागीर तांणी खंयचे शेतांतल्यान आनी खंयच्यान काडली आमी जीप आनी खंय तरी युपीच्या बागपत सायडीन हाडून सोडले आमकां. पळयल्यार थंय ब्लॉक घाला तांणी. आतां ते ब्लॉक घालताले आनी आमची गाडी लास्ट सरली भितर. तरी आमच्या गाडीचेर अशे ढाढा करून मारले हात बी. शेकड्यांनी गाडी ते अशे हाडटात ते हेवटेन सोडटात, ते हेवटेन सोडटात आनी 500 रुपया पर व्हेकल आहे. सेटिंग विथ पुलिसा कडेन सेटिंग आसा तांचे.
With bureau input, senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.